Now what I want to do is add just a little more punch to this image, and we're going to do this with a software program called Efex Pro. Now Efex is usually for a black and white conversion, but we're going to do something a little bit different to enhance our image. I'm going to right mouse click on the background layer, and I'm going to convert it to a smart object. Now from here, I'm going to fire up Efex, and when the program launches, the first thing we want to do is look at one of the presets that they actually have and start with the preset as your base. So from here, let's do high contrast, smooth. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's too smooth. Okay, this one looks much better. Now from here, all I want to do is change it slightly. Add a lot of the structure to it. Beautiful. And the last thing I want to do is come down to the burnt edges, and let's make it a soft burnt edge. Press OK, and it's saving my changes. Now you're going to see why it was important to make the background layer or change the background layer into a smart object. Nick did something really cool. This new plugin is they made it a smart objects aware, to where once the object, or once you launch the program from a smart object, it knows enough that it's a smart object, so it makes it a smart filter. Now from here, if I didn't like the effect that it made, all I do is double click back on Efex, and it's going to relaunch the application. And then from here, I can make any of the changes that I want. Let's give it a couple seconds. Good. In this case, I do like what I did, so I'm just going to cancel out of it. Now, here's the little twist. I'm going to duplicate this layer by pressing Control-J on a Windows-based machine or Command-J on a Mac. I'm going to throw away the smart filter, so I'm back to my original. I don't need that to be a smart object anymore, so I'm going to convert that to a rasterized layer. Go back to my main image, and I'm going to convert it to luminosity. Now look at the difference before and after. So I'm using Efex not as the black and white conversion, but to enhance the color. Now from here, if the effect is a little bit too strong, I'm going to zero out the effect and then gradually dial in what I feel the effect should look like. Right about here. And once I'm done, Control E for Windows, Command E on a Mac to flatten the image, and then save.